Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Dito tayo guys sa ano. Ay, ano ko lang to. Ilabas ko na to sila. Ayan. Ayan guys ha. Ang panahon na kaganda. Kaganda ng panahon. The sun is shining. Hello! Kumusta po kayo mga tung para akong baliw. Magtubig pala ako guys. Lagyan kasi nito. Ito yung tinatransfer ko na bok choy kahapon. Tubigan natin sila para masaya. Ang talong ko nalulungkot. Tubigan ko nga sila. Sa ginaw kasi kagabi ang ginaw. Hindi sila masaya. Yun, hello. Maging masaya ka naman. Ito din. Sa ginaw ito. Look, nalulungkot ang mga talong. Kaloka. Okay, tubigan natin sila. Ba't mainit itong tubig? Dami talaga. Morning. Parang ang lungkot naman ninyong dalawa. Ang lungkot ninyong dalawa. You know why? I know why you're lungkot. Because Dada's inside the room. And I locked the door. Yeah? You guys are sad that Dada is in the bedroom. Good morning. Say good morning. Say good morning to everyone. Good morning mga loves. Hello Miss Everything. Hi Misty. Hello baby. Kumusta mga loves? Where's Dada? You know Dada's in bed. Dada's in bed. Yeah, Dada's in bed. Dada's snoring in bed. Do you wanna go out? You eat your dindin, so you wanna go out now? Ito, kumusta ka pare? Si Paring Lime, si Maring Lime, Maring da ini. Babae po ito guys ha, kasi mag-ano ng Lime. So, kumusta po kayo? Lumaki-laki talaga siya guys. I think dito na talaga ito sa loob, hindi na pwede sa labas. Maginaw. Maginaw pa rin. Maginaw. So, yung tignan natin yung mga plant natin. Yung mga tinatanim natin kasi last night it was 37 degree. So, sobrang ginaw. Buti na lang hindi nag-32 kapag 32 freezing na yan. Mag-freeze yung mga ano. Ang ganda ngayon ng panahon guys. I think today is gonna be 70 degrees. 70 degrees today. Good morning. Good morning guys. Aalis na naman ako. I think. I don't know today. Kasi magluluto ako ng budbud. Budbud na balanghoy. Pero, kasi hindi tayo makapagluto guys kung walang isang gamit. Which is, yung dahon ng saging. Wala pa ako ng dahon ng saging. So, maghanap ako sa grocery store. Hopefully, makakita tayo. I think meron yung mga grocery store. Pero talagang, tignan mo talaga guys kung meron, kung maganda yung dahon. Kasi yung dahon paminsan, maliit. Yung parang maliit at saka marami ng cut. So, hindi mo siya magagamit sa mga suman. Kasi, ang liit talaga. Good morning, love! Good morning, baby. How are you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Dandy?
Where are the kids?
I don't know. I thought you let them out. Han, they've been there, out there. They've been out there. Habang nagluluto guys, nanonood ng Korean yan, ito yung sunog. Si Tame, yung butter niya ginawa niyang watery. Nanonood lang tayo ng Korean novela. Para akong na-heart attack sa ginawa ni Tame guys. Doon siya sa ladder, umakyat sa bubong, pinakataas na bubong doon sa gilid. Ay, ginoo ko. Para ako yung nahihilo, mas nasusuka. Dahil ang tigas, ang ladder, ang taas, delikado pa naman siya, delikado. So, iwan ko na lang. But anyway, let's go out. It's 6 o'clock na ng gabi. Well, 6 o'clock na, hindi pa gabi. Maaga pa dito. Kung anong ginagawa ni Tami. Grilling na naman tayo, guys. Kainan na naman. Yep. Steak. Ito yung seasoning ni Tami, kaluka. Ito lang man dapat. Pero ang daming nilagay. Kaluka. Ano to? Turmeric. Cajun, seafood ito. Kaluka itong si Tami. Tinanim ko dong guys, zucchini sa labas, look. Mga zucchini sa labas tinanim ko. Para naman masaya sila doon.
Well, I mean, they may be... Right, well, that's true. Yeah. And not that it's a big deal, but always curious. Right, that's for sure. These be like the, what was it, the Amityville horror or whatever? There you go. When the walls start bleeding, you're good. Yeah, that's right, you know?
I saw ghost.
Maybe save on a paint job.
I saw ghost.
It'll be a new kind of paint. Yeah, MaryAnn used to see ghosts in the house. Actually, we you know, with the camera, we would catch like these white flashes, like movement, that were unexplained, not from any light source or anything, no reflection. It was a little bizarre. Wow. Generally only around my mother, though. Interesting. Yeah. Very interesting. But nothing, you know, no manifestations or anything, or no. No. Yeah, okay. And no, you know, nothing dangerous. No, it's just like white light that would just like fly across the room. There's no apparent reason, and no, you know, you'd think it was coming from a reflection or something, but no, there's nothing there reflecting. Wow. It was a little bizarre, but stranger things. Right, that's it. So when MaryAnn gets pissed at you and would throw a plate at you, oh, it was just a manifestation, Tommy. Yeah. And then when I die, I come back and be her manifestation. Right, that's exactly. I come to haunt her. Right. What do you say? MaryAnn was saying, Tommy, you must have really pissed off that ghost. There you go. Pissed him off, he threw a plate at you. She's hearing you, she's kind of laughing. Kind of.
Tell him, he think that I'm gonna throw a plate, I'm gonna throw a knife.
She said she's not throwing no plate, she's throwing a knife. Uh-oh, I hope you're good at ducking. She's sleeping with a knife right next to her, so, you know, because when she sleep here alone, I said, you know, you're gonna have a bad dream one night, wake up and just run it right to my chest. And then say, I don't know what I was doing, it was a bad dream. There you go. Be like an I Love Lucy episode where she dreams that Ricky was cheating on her, she'd wake up and start beating him with a pillow. Right, yep. Oh man. Just think you could be she could be Lorena Bobbitt II. There you go.
Who is that?
She doesn't know who that is. Oh, okay. Explain to her. Yeah. Her husband was cheating on her, so at night she cut off his
important part.
Oh, that's
She
nice.
drove down the road and threw it in the street.
Is that real?
Yeah. Matter of fact, he became a porn star after that.
Right. As a matter of fact, tell her that it's sometime this weekend. I don't know when. That it's going to be her story on Lifetime.
To watch her story on Lifetime sometime this weekend.
Okay.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what they did for him. I mean, how did he become a porn star after that? I have no freaking clue. But
Well, because apparently I was surprised that they were able to get it to work.
okay. I don't know. They found it in the street and sewed it back on, I guess.
Yeah, well, that's what they did. But you know the intricate nerves that have to be attached and everything else like that. And I guess it was an outlaw. I don't even know how the hell they ever found it. To tell you the truth.
Well, they could have waited a little longer. He could have been half eaten by rats.
Yeah, definitely.
He's had a very small mouth, is all.
Oh man, I tell you the truth.
Yeah, look at Looney Tunes. And how you guys doing otherwise?
Team pa rin guys yung mukha natin. But anyway, totoo palang istorya na yun na, yung dito news. Matagal na daw yun. Ang lalaki nag-cheat daw, yung asawa. Ang ginawa, kinat yung ari ng lalaki and then tinapon sa kalsada or kahit saan ba yun. And then, parang nakita nila yung ng penis ng lalaki and then tinahi. And then, pagkatapos niya, naging sikat yung lalaki. Naging porn star daw. Kalak. Naging porn star yung lalaki. Totoo pala yun. Akala ko joke-joke lang. Totoo pala yung story na yun.
Checked the mail, which was like maybe just shortly before I called you. Starting at 11 or probably going to 12:30 or 1.
And, meron akong sasabihin sa inyo. Alam niyo ba na talagang matanda na ako? Yung mga sign ng mga matanda, nararamdaman ko na siya. Yung every time na may gagawin ako, ang sakit ng katawan ko. Ito yung pinaka-worst na sign ko. Kapag humatsing ako, maihi ako ng sobrang light. And then, yun yung nakakaano sa akin. Kaya, TMI po ito guys, pero yun yung nararamdaman ko. So yun, every time na maano ko yun, takbo ako sa CR. Ako, hindi naman lahat ng atching, naihi ako. May time na talaga na sobrang atching ako. Maihi talaga ako. Hindi ko talaga mapigilan guys. Maihi talaga ako. Yun yung sign na matanda na ako. Yun yung nasasabi ko na matanda na ako. Yung tuhod ko masakit na. Yun yung naobserbahan ko. Roxy thinks that's movie.
I know you think it's your spot.
I see you put like thing in here. I look at it, you put in this here. Hi guys! Anyway guys, ito pong video, i-insert ko sa vlog na ito. And ang gagawin ko is magsha-shoutout ako sa mga nagjo-join sa akin yung first ever na premiere ko. Yung vlog mo, pwede kang mag-premiere and then makipag-chat. So, yun yung first time ko talagang nagawa. So, yung mga nandun, yung mga nakipagchikahan sa akin doon. Isa-shout out ko lang. Hindi lahat, yung na-screenshot ko lang guys ha. Yung isa-shout out ko. Okay, hi to Marisa Marcelia at saka kay Lolit Ulay, Jean the Jungle at saka kay Edith Vlogs. So, my vlogs Edith's vlog. Saka, sino pa ba? Happy Chicks at sa Nita Z. Raus. Yeah, Nita Z. Raus. Saka, Mami Smallwood at saka Lizelle Arganti, Christine Joyce Lapina, J.R. Flores, and si MJ Villa, and also, sino pa ba? Victoria Salarda, and Janet Rose De Vera, si Deep Passion and Life Vlog. So, yun. Deep Passion and Life Vlog. Hanap-hanap lang tayo. Si Flor Ogang, Kida Eugenio, Selena Bercasio. And also guys, yung second premiere ko po, super chat, yung super chatter ko na si Merlin Channel. May channel po siya. So, yun yung niya, Merlin Channel. So, thank you so much sa super chat, super chat sis. So, yun. Thank you. Thank you so much, Merlin Channel. And also, hello po kay Juwan G. Yeah, Juwan G. So, yun. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching my first and second premiere ko sa YouTube. So, yun siya. Thank you so much. And shout out po sa inyo dyan, sa mga nanonood ngayon. Thank you so much. Sometimes talaga, paminsan talaga mag-shoutout ako, paminsan matagal hindi makapag-shoutout kasi busy, ganon. So, pasensya na talaga. Pero yun yung muna yung shoutout ko. And yeah, so, thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope I will see you guys sa mga susunod na video. Bye! Thank you. I will see you guys.